In the third and the final video, I will demonstrate how to call a DLL without using the import library. This is called dynamic linking of the dynamic linking link library. You might think that it is an oxymoron, but let's see how to do it. In order to call a DLL, you should use the import library in the normal way. If you don't want to use it, you have to manually load the DLL using a call called load library. Let's see how you can do it. I am going to open m.cpp, that is the main program. I will actually explain it. Hash include stdio.h, hash include windows.h. This time I am planning to call function from the Windows DLLs, so that's why I have included windows.h. As usual, I have given the prototype of the two functions which I am planning to call, but it is unnecessary in this case because you are using dynamic linking. In order to call a DLL, you should get a function, you should create a function pointer. Since my round and my ABS has got the same function prototype, I am going to declare a data type. Type def double in bracket underscore underscore std called myfunc and double. After creating the new data type, I will declare two variables, myfunc mround mabs. I am going to initialize mround and mabs to 0 or null point. Once you have initialized the pointer, you can actually load the library. Hmodule hm is equal to hmodule load library test.dll. Here I am making a call to the Windows function load library to load my DLL from the disk. If I was not able to load the DLL, I will get a null value. After that, I should get the function pointers for the exported functions which I am interested. mround is equal to cast to the myfunc get proc address handle to the module comma myround. Get proc address is a Windows API function which gives the procedure address or the function pointer, and I am doing the same for mabs as well. If I was able to successfully retrieve mround and mabs, it will contain non-zero values. Once I have got the function pointers, I can invoke the function by dereferencing it. The line which I am highlighting now seems to be a bit confusing if you are not accustomed to C pointer terminology. Function pointers is just like any other pointer. Instead of pointing to a variable, it is pointing to a subroutine or a function. When I say star mabs minus 5.49, it is equivalent to calling my abs with minus 5.49, and the output of that will be given to the mround function, and I am printing the result as usual. So in order to call a DLL, you have to dynamically load the DLL using the load library call, retrieve the function pointers and dereference it. Here I am not using any import library. Thank you.